at home, my own version of it. And I like to think it's somewhat healthier just because I know exactly what ingredients that I am putting into it. And I can definitely scale back on the pepperoni, which obviously I'm not doing today. And I can scale back on the cheese, just make it all veggies and things like that. So it's definitely healthier to cook at home, regardless to, what you choose to put on there. But today is a splurge day, obviously. And I'm just getting it all together. Have you all been ordering pizzas out since the pandemic? I know there's been a lot of commercials coming on saying they have the touchless or contactless pizza delivery or whatever. I haven't not tried it, haven't been tempted to do that yet. And I'm pretty satisfied with making my own for now. But I was just curious as to if you and your families have been doing it and how you like it. It's nice that they have those contactless deliveries and things like that available to families that want to partake in that. Because some people just, don't have the time. And then, too, a lot of people are still working, are essential workers and, things like that. So I get it that there's just not the time to be cooking every meal. So certainly understand that. So here's my Parmesan cheese. It's almost finished because I put it on a lot of dishes that I prepare. I need to back off the cheese, I know, but today's not the day. So I'm just putting that on top of my spinach, and it is almost good to go now. So I can just go ahead and put it on the grill and let it get to cooking. It looks really good, so I'm just going to turn it on low because I don't want it to cook too fast. That dough has to get cooked all the way through, and my veggies need to cook. Now, sometimes I will saute my veggies just a little bit before I put them on, but honestly, I don't mind a little bit of crunch to them, so I just put them on today without doing that. So now it's time for me to sit back and relax for about 20 minutes and enjoy some sun. All right, so it is all ready now the way that I like it. I like my crust to be on the thin side with just a little bit of a crunch to it. So it is cooked to perfection for me, and I am very pleased with it. It looks delicious, and I cannot wait to have it with my crushed red peppers. I love spicy things, so I cannot eat my pizza without a bunch of crushed red pepper on it. And OMG. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And be sure to check out Kenya's Decor Corner and This and That with Denise Jordan and the playlist for the Sister Circle, who will be uploading delicious recipes for you to share with your families. See you next time. Bye.